In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube playlist into your Wix website effectively and effortlessly. This task might seem daunting at first, but with a few straightforward steps, you'll have your playlist seamlessly integrated into your site. Let's dive right into the process. First, we need to get the playlist embed link from YouTube. Begin by heading over to YouTube and navigating to the playlist you'd like to feature on your Wix site. Once you've opened your desired playlist, you'll notice several options underneath the video's player. Look for the Share button, click it, and then choose Embed from the options presented. This action will generate an iframe embed code that you are going to need, so go ahead and copy that code. This code is essentially a string of HTML that will allow your playlist to be displayed elsewhere, such as on your website. Now that we have the embed code, it's time to shift our attention to Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account, which grants you access to your existing websites. Once inside your account dashboard, locate My Sites. From there, choose the specific site where you want to add your YouTube playlist and click Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor where we can make modifications to your website's layout and content. With the editor open, let's integrate your new playlist. Begin by clicking on the Add button, usually represented by a plus sign located in the editor's sidebar. From the menu, hover over Embed and then click on Embed a widget. Select HTML iframe from the additional options shown. Now, drag the HTML box that appears onto your page. This box is like a blank canvas waiting for the embed code you copied from YouTube. Next, click on Enter Code within the box. Paste the iframe embed code you saved earlier into this section. After pasting the code, click Apply to embed it onto your page. You should now see your YouTube playlist appear within the HTML box, giving you a preview of how it will look once live on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube playlist into your Wix website. This process not only enhances the multimedia capabilities of your site, but also invites visitors to explore curated video content directly within your web pages. Remember, embedding media like this can help make your site more interactive and engaging for your audience. If you encountered any issues or have questions about customization, be sure to explore Wix's help resources or community forums for additional guidance. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding!